Hey, Russ Whitney here with your shout out for today. Actually, I've done a bunch of them. These are all pretty current. This one is a big one. This is a little more sophisticated than the average. And if you want to know about Russ Whitney, if you're not familiar with our work, go to russwhitney.com and you'll get all kinds of great info. Since it's a big question, I put on my big glasses. The problem with my big glasses for big dreams, I can't read with them, so here we go. All right, here it goes. This is coming from Jimmy the Geek. Jimmy the Geek. Gosh, that sounds like the what a guy in Vegas who does the
Jimmy the Greek.
What do you call it? He does the
Jimmy the Greek.
Yeah, but he gives you the odds.
Yeah.
Jimmy the Geek. Well, I'll go with Jimmy the Greek because I don't think you're a geek with this question. How should I think about approach converting assets for real estate? I'm looking at a property in my neighborhood. I have enough asset stocks to sell to cover the down payment. I'd pay significant capital gains. Do you factor that cost when estimating cash on cash returns? Yeah. So first of all, I don't know what the value of the property is in your neighborhood. I don't know what assets or stocks you're selling and how much to cover the down payment. Would you pay significant capital gain? I'd have to factor that. How much is that? Is it 1,000? Is it 20,000? 40,000? What is it? And do you factor that cost in? Yeah. If you're going to have to pay a tax in order to, and you're going to have to use a gain from your stocks and pay a tax, which means you lose that money and invest in property, yeah, you have to deduct that from your cash on cash. So for example, if I'm buying, let's say I'm buying a rundown beat up duplex for 100 grand. I'm putting 5,000 down because it's seller financing and I earn $80 a month in positive cash flow or 1,000 a year. You take the 1,000 divided into 5,000, that gives you a 20% return on your money. However, if you got to pay 10,000 in taxes, you got a loss. Does that make sense? All right, Russ Whitney from russwhitney.com.